Hello and welcome to VLearn IAS. Today we are going to discuss PIB analysis of data 12 June 2022 in the perspective of civil service examination. NCPCR to celebrate elimination of child labour week from 12 to 20 June, which is relevant in GS paper 1 in society. As part of the 75th anniversary celebrations of India's independence, that is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, NCPCR is celebrating elimination of child labour week in 75 places in the World Day Against Child Labour. Significance: in order to pay attention and to eradicate the child labour, in this regard, the rescue operations in 75 places where children are involved in labour work, scrap and automobile markets across the country shall be conducted during 12 to 20 June. With the help of authorities like State Commission, District Authorities, Child Welfare Committee, Childline, Police, Labour Department and other states. The Commission is under the process of creating a separate link for child labour for the rescue and rehabilitation process in the Bal Swaraj portal of NCPCR. From the UPSC perspective, we have to remember the Bal Swaraj portal of NCPCR, that is National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, and that is for rescue and rehabilitation, which is important for our prelims. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights is constituted by Government of India. It is a statutory body under Section 3 of the Commissions for Protection of Child Rights, and which is mandated to monitor implementation of the juvenile justice, that is care and protection of children and right of children to free and compulsory education Act 2009 and for the prevention of children from sexual offences. There are constitutional and legal provisions for the prevention and control of child labour. In the constitutional provisions, there are 3 articles are there. That is, according to Article 23 of the Indian Constitution, any type of forced labour is prohibited. And according to Article 24, it states that a child under 14 years cannot be employed to perform any hazardous work. And Article 39 states that health and strength of workers, men and women, and the tender age of children are not abused. And the legal provisions include Child Labour Act, which prohibits children under the age of 14 years to be working in hazardous industries and process, and the prevention of children from sexual offences. NREGA, Right to Education Act, Midday Meal Scheme are the policy interventions which do for the prevention and control of child labour. Further, with the ratification, International Labour Organization's conventions, the Indian government have demonstrated its commitment to the elimination of child labour, including those engaged in hazardous occupations. It's the end of today's discussion. Keep studying and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and never miss any updates from VLearn IAS. Join to our official Telegram channel VLearn IAS to get the updates. Thank you.